Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and instead of talking you through what I am doing, which is in the name of this video, I am doing a weekly setup using my new Rainbow Pixel theme for the month of June. I'm going to go ahead and do a YouTube tag. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically a bunch of random Q&A questions. And I found a website from Kat Boska from the blog Mama's Losing It, something like that. And it says 50 questions you've never been asked, YouTube tag. So I have a random number generator here, and I'm gonna pick 1 through 50, and I will go ahead and answer that question. Like I said, because it's not a lot to explain with this. I am just making a bunch of squares in a rainbow format. So let's go ahead and go. The first one is number 6, which is, can you do a split? And the answer to that is hell no, I cannot do a split. Never have been able to, never been flexible enough to do it. And I have had 8 knee surgeries, so I'm never going to be able to, because I feel like that would put a lot of pressure on your knees. The next one is number 49, which is, how old were you when you first found out that Santa wasn't real? And I could not tell you. There's no story associated with this. My boyfriend has a very funny story, I think, with his cousins, that when he was told that Santa wasn't real, because he's the youngest cousin on his mom's side of the family. For me, I don't really remember. I assume it's one of my older brothers ruined it for me, because that's what older brothers do. Let's go ahead with number 1, which is, what's your favorite candle scent? Oh my God, hands down, the blueberry maple pancakes scent from Bath and Body Works. My favorite I will get like 20 of those. It is just so good. Second favorite, anything sweet. Honestly, I have such a sweet tooth, and that is like my jam. So sweet tooth type scents are my favorite. Generating number 35, which is, would you rather live in a rural area or in the suburbs? You know, to be honest, I kind of have a good mix of both worlds where I am currently. I would kind of like the suburbs a little bit more, or even in a rural area that's less hilly. I swear, I live on the side of a mountain, so for us walking the dogs, it is it's a trek. So not the most fun thing, although I mean it does give you a very good workout. So I guess I can't complain that way. Generating number 42, which is, have you ever seen Finding Nemo? Yes, I have. I will quote, "Don't touch the butt," all the time, because I think that is the most hilarious line of pretty much any movie. Generating number 11 is, what would you name your daughter if you had one? I don't want to put that on the internet, because if we do have a daughter one day, I don't want to give my name away. It starts with a C. Generating number 48, which is, what religion would you raise your children to practice? Honestly, I'm not a big religious person. That's not really my thing. I was raised Episcopal, so if I ever did, maybe that. But I honestly don't really believe in organized religion. Generating number 46, geez, a lot of 40s. What flavored tea do you enjoy? I I only really do tea when I'm sick, so I do like a honey lemon tea. Number 19 is, are your grandparents still married? I only have one grandparent left, so obviously he is widowed. I think probably in his mind, he will forever be married to my grandmother. Generating number 13, which is, what's the worst grade you got on a test? Yo, if you have ever been in college and done a chemistry 101 type class where they try to weed out a whole bunch of people, then you, at least where I went at USF, which was very much the case, it was common to get 40s. So it wasn't great. So those are all the answers to my questions. If you want to answer them down below, please feel free to do so, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.